Well, hello, and thanks for joining us once again. This time, in this session, we'll be talking about the best time to buy a cruise. Interested? Let's dive in. Hello, fellow travelers. This week, we're focusing on something every cruiser wonders about. When is the best time to buy a cruise? Today, I'll share the insider tips on when to book a cruise for the best deals. We'll cover timing strategies and how to get the most value from your cruise booking. Insider tips on when to book a cruise. Now let's dive into how to snag the best cruise deals. Timing is everything in travel, especially for cruises. Some folks ask if there's a particular day of the week to book for the best price. Not really. Cruise prices depend more on seasons and demand, not a specific weekday. In fact, they can go up and down on a daily basis based on the prior criteria. Instead, focus on these timing strategies. Book during the wave season, January to March. We have specials for that at the moment. In the cruise world, wave season early in the year is famous for big promotions. Cruise lines often roll out their best offers from January through March for sailings later that year and beyond. 2027, 28, maybe. You might score cabin upgrades, onboard credits, or free perks if you book in this window. Ain't bad. Watch for holiday sales. Keep an eye on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and other holiday deals. Many cruise lines and travel agencies unleash impressive discounts and extras during these special sales. Mark your calendar around late November. Outside of those sales, a good rule of thumb is to book 6 to 12 months in advance for the lowest fares and guaranteeing a desirable cabin. Booking early gives you the best pick of the cabins and itineraries. Consider last-minute deals if you're flexible. Are you able to pack and go on a short notice? If so, cruise lines sometimes drop prices for a few weeks before departure to fill those empty cabins. These last-minute deals can be fantastic bargains, especially if the ship isn't full. I've seen folks snag a great cruise a month out because they jumped on a price drop. Tip: be ready to pay in full and arrange your travel quickly for last-minute buys. And know that your cabin choice may be limited. Traveling off-season. Price also depends on season and region. For example, summer is peak and pricier for Alaska or the Mediterranean, and winter holidays send Caribbean prices up. If you travel in the shoulder season, just before or after a peak or off-peak times, you might find lower fares and smaller crowds. Many of us seniors prefer to cruise when the kids are back in school. Fewer crowds and often better prices. An October Caribbean cruise can cost less than one in December when everyone wants to escape the winter. Also consider one-way repositioning cruises when ships move seasonally from one port to the next. These itineraries often have discounted rates since they are unique in their routes. Use a travel advisor or cruise specialist. This is a secret weapon many savvy travelers use. Travel agents often have access to exclusive discounts or added perks for cruises. They keep tabs on price drops and can rebook you at a lower rate if a sale comes along after you've already booked. We also sometimes hold group space early at locked-in rates, which can save you money if prices rise later. As a cruise specialist myself, I love helping clients find the perfect deal at the right time and getting you the extras like onboard credit when possible. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget about our weekly travel contest. Every week, we have a bit of where in the world trivia in our videos. You can enter by visiting travelbyken.com or just give me a call. I love hearing from you and helping you with your travel questions. Everyone who enters is automatically added to our year-end grand prize drawing. That means your entry today could win you a big travel gift down the road. So why not take a chance? We're about to jump into the best ways to take a cruise. We'll dive into our next contest this week, and Max will tell you more. Maxie, take it away.
All right, taking it away, Ken. Hello, travellers. Max here with a contest to upgrade your next adventure. Guess our mystery port and Ken and I will send you a dashing leather passport wallet so you're not rummaging at the airport like a penguin looking for its keys. Your hint. Perched on red cliffs above a deep blue sea, this island swaps cars for donkeys and boasts whitewashed homes with bright blue domes. The sunsets? Worth missing dessert for. Think you know it? Visit travelbyken.com to send your guess and maybe snag a copy of Where To Next magazine with exclusive cruise deals. Now, when you submit your guess to the Where in the World contest, you'll also be entered into our end-of-year drawing for a chance to win a $300 onboard credit toward any cruise booked in 2025 for a 2026 or later sailing through our agency. Cheers and happy guessing. Back to you, Ken.
Thanks, Max. Okay, now on to the next segment. Travel styles. Large groups, small groups, and solos. Now we're going to talk about your travel style. Whether you're cruising with a big group, a small group, or by yourself, that can affect the best time to book. Large groups, family reunion or club trips, for a big group, booking early is key. Why, you say? You want to make sure there are enough cabins for everyone, ideally close together. By planning in advance, you might also qualify for group benefits. Many cruise lines offer free berths, a person's fare, if you book around 8 cabins or so. Early booking also gives your group time to coordinate schedules. Last-minute deals are tough for large groups because finding 10 cabins or more at the last second is like finding a needle in the haystack. It don't exist. Small group or couple. With just one or a few cabins to book, you have much more flexibility. You can book early to lock in a specific itinerary or a special cabin. Great for anniversaries or big celebrations. But if your dates are open, you can also shop around during wave season or jump on a mid-year promotion. Sometimes smaller groups can take advantage of flash sales or short notice deals since it's easier to find one cabin than many more. The key is to communicate with your travel partner or friends so you can pounce on a good deal when it occurs. Solo travelers. Solo cruisers, you might have the most flexibility of all. If you're retired or have a loose schedule, you can wait for those last-minute steals. Only one ticket to buy, no coordination needed. Cruise lines something even waive the single supplement, that extra charge for having a cabin to yourself on select sailings. That means you could snag a cabin for one without paying almost double. These solo deals often pop up in off-peak seasons or unique itineraries. An experienced travel advisor can help find these for you. Whether you book early or late, being open-minded about dates and destination helps when you're cruising solo. I hope this video has been helpful. It's our main goal to ensure you have the best experience when you're booking your travel and planning your dream trip. We'd love to help. Call me, 689-229-9724, or visit us at kencruises.com and set up a consult. Don't wait to travel, especially at our age. Bon voyage!